Are you looking at your teammates through a filter? They approach you with something, or they are willing to share a perspective, and you are like, no, I don't think he would have any value to offer. I don't know if listening to him will really make sense. पता नहीं मुझे सुनना चाहिए नहीं सुनना चाहिए, because past में he hasn't really brought stuff of value, or should I really involve him क्योंकि ये हमेशा certain way में behave करता है, या he doesn't take the whole thing through, he behaves in a certain manner, he's not professional, and the list goes on. Happens. Now what does it lead to? उसकी वजह से होता क्या है? आइए बात करते हैं उस बारे में. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. If you find this video meaningful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. तो जब भी कोई टीममेट आपके पास आ रहा है और आप उसको एक लेंस, एक फिल्टर के थ्रू देखते हो कि पास्ट में मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ऐसा था, he behaved in a certain manner which wasn't high value, which wasn't very professional, so I think doesn't make sense to really spend time with him. Now, do you think that is the right thing to do? While looking at it, you may feel there's nothing that I've really lost. But what you've done in the process is, you as an individual have evolved. You as a leader have evolved. When you had that experience with that teammate, with that employee, right, some time back, which led you to forming an opinion that he is this kind and he is ओनली एज गुड, तो वो जो लेबल आपने जब लगाया तब आप भी एक सर्टन लेवल पर थे, एंड you've evolved over that time. Now that could be weeks, it could be months, maybe years. You've also changed as a person. So what makes you think that that teammate of yours, that employee of yours hasn't changed? He hasn't evolved. Or that one experience was decisive of who he is. Maybe there were different circumstances, he was in a different state of mind. That doesn't define him, right? So don't you think it would only be unfair to really be judgmental basis that experience, one or two experiences that you've had, and also basis an experience which you've had long back? Why not have a fresh conversation around whatever that person is willing to share, listening to him without a judgment, and then making a call? When you listen without judgment, two things happen. One, you rightly are able to assess what will work, what will not work, how much value is it really going to bring to the table. And number two, if you think what he or she is talking about doesn't make much sense, will not yield much, you can always think of an alternative to put that teammate to good use, which will be a win-win situation for both you as a leader and for him as an employee. Yeah, but that will happen only when you're listening him without judgment. जब आप अपने वो filters side में रख देंगे, क्योंकि जब आप जजमेंटल होके अपने फिल्टर्स के साथ उसको देख रहे हो, तो आप एक तो वहीं अटके हुए हो उस एक्सपीरियंस पे, तो आप पहले से शट हुए हुए हो, नहीं ये नहीं कर पाएगा, या whatever he's saying may be a waste of time. Do I even have that much time? Okay, even if I have time, you're not there, you're half-heartedly sitting there. So absolutely it's going to be a waste of time for both of you. So all I'm trying to say is that do not make important decisions or choices only on the basis of an experience that you've had in the past with an employee or a teammate. And if he or she is willing to come up with something new, if he or she is willing to offer something to the team, then be open. Okay? Consider that people evolve. The fact that the person wants to approach you, wants to talk to you, wants to offer something, bring in something, says a lot. So give them that fair chance. Yeah, as a leader, that's the biggest responsibility that you hold, to develop and nurture people around you. Isn't it? Give it a thought. And if you liked this video, you found it meaningful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.